I'm Dr. Moradi. I'm a facial plastic and reconstructive surgeon. I've been practicing in San Diego County for the last 26 years, and my specialty is facial rejuvenation. As far as a facelift is concerned, the ideal candidate is someone who is starting to see development of the jowls and laxity of the neck. And we're talking about from the mid-face here all the way to the neck. Now, my preferred technique is the deep plane facelift, but that technique has to be tailored to each individual because we are all different. The way we age is different. Therefore, the vector of elevation has to be a little bit different amongst individuals. Now, someone asks, how long is the downtime? On the average, I always tell my patients the downtime is about 2 weeks, but one should plan for about 3 weeks. Now, let's say, how long would it be before I can go to a wedding, or if I'm going to go on a cruise? I would say 6 weeks is the best timing for that. The duration of the surgery, depending on whether it's just a limited neck or limited face, is anywhere from 1.5 to 3.5 hours. And it is really based on one's skill and training, how well this is done. It is natural for you to ask, so what are the results? The most important thing is that results are natural. You don't want to walk into a social gathering and everybody say, well, she had a facelift that is pulled or doesn't look natural. Obviously, we want to make sure we make a difference. We want to make sure we make you a younger you and also improve. And the way you do that is by the technique that you use, by the vector of elevation that you actually create, depending on the way you're aging. And then you may have to add certain other small procedures to that, such as transfer of fat to the certain areas that you have hollowed. And by using your own fat, you have a natural, filler in your face that actually looks good, stays natural, and it doesn't go away. I realize these are very scary decisions to make. So do not be intimidated. Don't be scared whenever you're talking to anyone to ask about facelifts. Feel free to call our office, make an appointment, come in for a consult, and I explain to you what may be the best procedure for you and give you more information on that.